Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Corpus Christi, a major coastal city on the Gulf of Mexico in South Texas. Corpus Christi sits on a protected bay and is one of the largest cities in the region, with a population of more than 300,000 people. The city was founded in the early 1800s as a trading post and later grew into an important port, shipping center, and military location. Cole Park is a popular waterfront park located along the city's bayfront near Ocean Drive. It features open green spaces, picnic areas, playgrounds, and walking paths that run along the shoreline, making it a favorite spot for families and visitors. The park offers beautiful views of Corpus Christi Bay and is often used for fishing, boating, and community events. Thank you for joining us on this drive in Corpus Christi, Texas.